Now go to our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford of Hosford Law Firm, to talk a little bit more about child abuse and the responsibility of people to report it. Jeff, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Very often, it may be in a school setting, it could be in a hospital setting, as we just saw in this story. People will see a case where they suspect child abuse. What at that time is our responsibility?
Well, obviously, the first responsibility of any human being is to ensure the safety of other human beings, if you can, within reason of being safe yourself. If you see some very dangerous situation, I would encourage you to help that child by contacting someone, either the DHS or the local police department, informing them of what's going on. Now, legally speaking, there's really no obligation as a citizen to report a crime, but obviously it's always best to protect yourself and others by doing so.
You mentioned the Department of Human Services is a good place to start in terms of reporting a suspected child abuse case, and obviously calling law enforcement. Yeah,
local law enforcement and DHS will usually help. If you don't feel comfortable calling local law enforcement, DHS probably should have an anonymous phone number that they have, and they'll let you report that, and then they'll investigate it and determine what's going on, and if they believe that child's in danger, they will report it to the proper authorities and make sure that child is put in a safe place.
All right, Jeff Hosford, we always appreciate your perspective. If you have a question you'd like Jeff to answer of legal nature, of course, you can send it to us at legalline@wcbi.com, and Jeff, we'll see you back here next week.
Thank you for having me.
All right.